California School Dashboard provides multiple measures using state and local data to show how schools are performing. These measures can help schools and districts understand how they can better serve all students. State measures are based on statewide information and allow families and community members to understand how schools and districts are serving students. Schools and districts receive one of 5 performance levels: red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Blue shows the highest performance level, while red indicates the lowest performance level. Local measures are based on information collected by districts, county offices of education, and charter schools to paint a broader picture of student school experience. Performance on local measures are displayed as one of 3 ratings: standard met, standard not met, or standard not met for 2 years. The report begins with a summary of how your school or district is performing. You can see a snapshot of your school or district's performance on statewide and local measures, create a PDF report of your school or district's results in English and Spanish, view all schools to compare how schools within the district are performing, view additional reports to access more detailed reports, and use the drop-down menu to change the year displayed. You can learn about the student population, such as the number of students enrolled, the percentage of students who are socioeconomically disadvantaged, English learners, or in the foster care system. Scroll down to find additional data on each measure. The reports are organized into 3 areas: academic performance, academic engagement, and conditions and climate. You can compare student results for your school or district with statewide results, and view how students performed in the most recent year and in the prior year. The equity report shows performance level for each student group, and you can view more details for more detailed information about each measure, and learn about progress made on local measures. To find your school or district's report, visit the California School Dashboard page at caschooldashboard.org. For more information about the dashboard, and to access a downloadable instructional brochure, visit smcoe.org/dashboard.